course, if you could do it all along footpaths or rivers, then that would be great, but it's never really going to work out like that. And what we'll have to do here is go up along the edges of fields and crisscross the river at various times, and that will save a hell of a lot of time. To go up through the river here, it's going to really take hours. Simply moving too slowly. It's going to be very deep areas of the river as well. It's pretty overgrown in there, so if we just go up along the edges here and see if we can get up to Bovey Tracey, we have one lane a little bit further up. And what we need to do here is go through this hedge. We've actually moved away from the river here. Try and stay reasonably close to it. I think it's just here. Very few buildings here, thankfully. So we are just here. If we stay to the right of this hedge, it must be fairly close. And what is this here? Is this the river behind this tree here? Is this the old railway? I think this could be the old railway. Maybe not yet. We have some horrible rusting fences here. You're always finding things. Just look at the state of this bike. It's as though it's been swept there in a flood. It's just left hanging. They're pretty much hanging in a tree, look. And the tyres have just literally just fallen off. Totally worn away, look. This is the river here. Easier to walk up along the river here, maybe. Hard to say, really. Let's see what the bank is like. Do have trousers, so is it maybe time to put them on? Yeah, this looks easier. It's just a little bit further over from the river, but we will break the record just before the Bovey Tracey bridge, if I can make it that far. It's important not to get too far ahead of yourself. Just focus on now. Right, let's go this way because I see a rusting old railway bridge. Probably hasn't been seen by anyone for a long time. Oh, look at that. Absolutely magical sight. Comes out pretty much in the middle of Exeter. Let's have a look on the old track bed. There's the track bed there. That's towards Hayfield. Got some really bad fences here, look. And there is the top of the bridge. Now where do I go now? Into the river, I think. Nice and shallow here, which is good. This is easy at the moment. Just keep going through here, it's hole becomes too deep. Help to see the bottom of the river. It's not a murky river, thankfully. It's deeper now. A lot deeper. That is quite deep there. Let's go up into the fields. Can't get up there. Easy, just stick to the edge here and make our way up. I do need to duck out of the way. I can just jump into the river. I do want to break this record if I can. Within sight. It'd be a gutter to lose it now. If I am asked to leave, then obviously legally I'll have to go. Can hear voices up here. There is a house, so that's maybe where it's coming from. There's a mill stream. I think that is the mill stream there. The house is there. So if I go up there, it's the wrong way. I need to be going that way. I need to try and get down this bank. It's really not great. Here's trousers now. Fortunately, only had stuff like this. Shorts, it's really no good. I need to get down into there and possibly up the river or up the far side. Let's have a look and see what we've got here. Yeah, there's the mill stream. That would have taken me up to the house, which is really not the way to go. To go up through here. A little bricks in there. Here, Thompson and Co. Limited. Deep again. Let's go back up the bank. Obviously carrying phones, that kind of thing. I don't really want to be going into deep water. It's along the edge of the field here. These are the sheds, I think, just short of the lane. It should be the little Bovey Bridge that we're coming up to. It's a very small crossing here. There's nobody here, as I can see, and no animals. Right, how do I get onto the river? I'm gonna need to get onto the river here. It's got a huge hedge. I'm gonna have to go back and I have to drop back. That looks impossible. This is what I mean about this being really quite slow. And you're going backwards and forwards. Let's see what I would have faced if I come through there. You've got these huge strengthening blocks which have been put there to prevent erosion. There's another road, another one chopped off. And what is this here? Stream there. It's totally dried up. It's a little Bovey Bridge. Out here, it's getting quite deep here now. Huge boulder underneath there, look. How slippy is it? out of the depth. What I can do here is go back into the field